There's just so much to get through. Ryan did such a great job of it there. I want to bring in criminal defense attorney R.J. Manuelian. R.J., thank you so much for being with us. You just heard from Assistant State's Attorney Risa Lanier there, laying out some of this stuff. You're a criminal defense attorney. How do you proceed? How do you start to defend this man?
Well, first I want to say I understand there's two courts. One is the court of opinion, public opinion, and the other one is the court of law. I know at this point in time the court of public opinion believes that Smollett is guilty, but let's let due process play out. Let's see what the evidence is. We don't know exactly how the police know that Smollett was staging this publicity stunt. Was it the other two friends of his that told the police, or was it actually Smollett that confessed? We don't know that yet. Remember, he's maintaining his innocence, so I'm assuming that he did not speak to the police directly, and the information the police got are through the two individuals who are now being used as confidential informants. So we have to let the evidence play out. We have to see exactly what was said, and it looks bad for Smollett, but I still think there's hope.
So when you mentioned the brothers, because the first thing I was wondering was, okay, if Smollett's out there saying, look, I'm standing by my story, this happened, certainly he would not have been the one to confess to police. Police would have come out and said that he confessed, right? So what is the value of these other two individuals? They've been arrested, they've been released, so police obviously don't think that that they're guilty of something here other than going along with this staged attack.
Yeah, and the police believe that they're not involved because there are several different factors at play. Number one, they both know Smollett. One is a personal trainer. The other one is an extra on the set of Empire. So it's too coincidental that these two individuals that knew him, work with him, are going to commit this kind of crime. So that's a flag. That's why the police believe that Smollett was involved. Additionally, it was done very haphazardly. It wasn't done, in a way that is credible. However, it doesn't mean that Smollett is lying. There's three sides to the truth. There's his side, there's the two brothers' side, and then there's the truth. So we have to let due process play out here.
No doubt about it. You know Mark Garagos, who may be one of the attorneys for Smollett at the end of the day. Do you think he's able to get his charge reduced? What do you take from his presence in this legal arena?
Well, I think Smollett's got if Smollett's evidence is strong, I think he has a problem getting his charges reduced. If it's allowable under Illinois law, they have to take into consideration his prior criminal background. Remember, Christy, he was convicted in our state of California for drinking and driving and giving false information to a police officer. He told a police officer that it was his brother that was driving when in fact it was him. So he has a credibility issue. That will absolutely be used in Illinois if he is sentenced.
All right. R.J. Manuelian, thank you so much for your input, sir.
Thank you, Christy.
Absolutely.